different domain. Okay. I am new to this. I'm new to this.
Hello, good evening, guys. Hello.
Yeah, Rajesh, good evening, Rajesh.
Yeah, very good evening. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, sure, Rajesh.
Yeah. Second. Yeah, previously we have discussed about software testing methods. Okay, coming to software testing methods, how many testing methods is there? Here there is available under two testing methods. Okay, one is static testing, and coming to second one is the dynamic testing. Okay, coming to static testing, there it is divided into two types. One is reviews, and coming to second one is the walkthroughs. Okay, coming to reviews, again we are having a 5 types of reviews. One is management review, technical review, code review, formal review, and informal review. Okay, in this 5 each and every phase, we are having a different types of reviews. Okay, those are what are the different types of reviews? Like self review, peer review, lead review, manager review, and client review. Okay, these are the different types of reviews we have seen. Okay, today we are going to see about what is the dynamic testing. Okay, coming to dynamic testing, here it is divided into 3 types. One is white box, black box, and gray box. Okay, here it is divided into 3 types. One is white box, black box, and gray box. Okay, if you go for mid-level companies, okay, if you go for mid-level companies or startup companies as a test engineer, we have to take care of this white box testing. If you go for MNC companies, okay, you are not going to test this white box testing. Okay, developers only is going to take care of this white box testing. Clear? Okay, coming to black box testing is nothing but, okay, as a completely taken care by test engineers only. Completely this is taken care by test engineers only. Okay, coming to gray box testing, it is a combination of white box and black box. Okay, it is a combination of white box and black box is called as a gray box testing. Okay, here coming to white box testing, it is divided into 2 types. One is unit level and integration level. Okay, coming to black box, here it is divided into again 2 types. One is system level testing, and coming to second one is a user acceptance testing. What is the 2 types? One is system level testing, and coming to second one is the user acceptance testing. Okay, first we will go for a white box testing. After that will come. Okay, coming to white box testing. Okay, coming to white box testing. When they are going to conduct a white box testing, guys, after completion of code. Okay, after completion of code only, developer is okay, after completion of code only, the developer is going to concentrate on this. After completion of coding, to confirm the correctness of code, code, which is conducted by, who is going to conduct this white box testing? Who? Which is conducted by programmer or developers. Which is conducted by programmers or developers. The testing is called as white box testing. The testing is called as white box testing. Okay. Here coming to white box testing, again it is divided into 2 types. Okay, one is unit level testing. And coming to second one is the integration level testing. Okay, one is unit level testing, and coming to second one is the integration level testing. Okay, what is a unit level testing and what is a integration level testing? Okay, now I am going to open my application. Okay, 1 second to explain in deeply. I'm going to explain I'm going to open a application. Are you able to see my screen? Clear? Are you able to see my application? Guys, are you able to see, right? Hello. Hello guys, are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. See here expenses, my receipts, my transactions, approvals, miscellaneous. Okay. Here we are having a different types of modules. Okay. Here we are having a different types of module. Okay. This is going to consider as one module, and this is going to consider as another module, and this is going to consider as another module. Okay. If you are going to test a particular module, that module is going to come under a unit level testing. Okay, that level is comes under a unit level testing. Only one part of conducting testing is called as unit level testing. Okay, or otherwise we are going to call as a smallest position or single unit. Okay, a smallest testable position or a single unit of testing is called as unit level testing. Okay, okay, only this is a single unit. Okay, only this unit only conducting testing is called as unit level testing. Okay, what is a unit level testing? A smallest testable position. A smallest testable position. A smallest testable position or single unit level testing. Okay, smallest testable portion or single unit. Okay, single unit of testing. Single unit of testing is called as unit level testing. Is called as unit level testing. Clear? Any more questions on this? Guys, okay, we have to test a only one single unit. Okay, guys, are you clear? Just please give me a response. Okay, I am feeling I am speaking to a wall. Guys, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, only one single unit of testing is called as a unit level testing. Okay, if I test with a one or more units, okay, this is one unit, I want to test a another unit. Okay, this is one unit, I am going to test a another unit. Okay, combination of more than one unit. Okay, more than one unit is called as a integration level testing. Okay, once unit level testing is completed, the developer is going to integrate a multiple units. Okay, not only one or two. Okay, if I want to test a two or more also, those all things comes under a integration level testing. Okay, clear? Is it
Yeah,
clear?
got it. Yeah,
Yeah.
got it, Rajesh.
Coming to integration level testing. This testing is completely taken care by developers only. Okay, we are not going to do. Okay, 90% we won't touch. Developers only will test. Once unit testing is completed, the developer will integrate the unit. The developer will integrate the units. Okay, and checks the application is working fine or not. Okay, the developer is going to integrate the unit and he is going to check the application is working fine or not. Application is working or not. Working or not is called as integration level testing. Is called as integration level testing. What is integration level testing? Combination of multiple units. Okay, combination of multiple units is called as integration level testing. Okay, you can say like that also. Okay, combination of multiple units is called as integration level testing. Clear? Okay, that in this integration level testing, okay, how they are going to integrate means they are going to follow different types of approaches. Okay, integration level testing, they are going to follow a different types of approaches. What are the different types of approaches means we are having a 4 types of approaches. Okay, the developers is going to follow 4 types. One is top down approach, is top down approach. Second one is bottom up approach, bottom up approach. Third one is hybrid approach. Fourth one is big bang approach. How many approaches is there? The developers is going to take care.
4.
4. Okay, one is top down, second one is bottom up, third one is the hybrid, and fourth one is the big bang. Clear? We are having a 4 types of approach. Okay, what are these 4 types of approaches? We'll see. Okay, coming to first one. Okay, first one we will go for the top down approach. How they are going to follow? Okay, they are going. Okay, if there is any incomplete program, first I will write. After that I will explain. Okay, this approach is recommended. This approach is recommended if any. Okay, if any incomplete program, if any incomplete program at bottom level, at bottom level. Okay, in this approach, I will explain, guys. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Okay, in this approach, integration, in this approach is recommended if there is any program at bottom level. In this approach, integration testing will be carried out with 1 second, will be carried out from top to bottom. Okay, we are going to follow from top to bottom. Top to bottom. Then the incomplete program at bottom is replaced with stub. The incomplete program at the bottom is replaced with stub. Replaced with stub. Okay, yeah. See, guys. Okay, here we are following, the developers is going to follow a different types of approaches. Okay, the developers is going to follow a different types of the approaches. Okay, what are the different types of the approaches? Like top down approach, bottom up approach, hybrid approach, and big bang approach. Okay, first one is top down approach. Okay, in this approach, okay, if there is any incomplete program, okay, here see first my module is login. Okay, suppose thing our first module is expenses. Okay, first module is expenses and the last module is help. Yes or no? This is my first module and this is my last. Yes or no? This is
Yes,
a top one, this is a bottom one. Okay, consider this is a top one. For example, I am saying this is a top one and consider this is a bottom one. Okay, if there is any incomplete program at bottom level, okay, see, this level is completed. Okay, expenses level is completed, but this level is not yet completed. Okay, in this level it is not completed. Okay, the developer is not implemented each and everything at bottom level. He is implemented where is he going to implement? From top to bottom only the developer is going to implement. Okay, the bottom is going to replace with a one of the approach called as stub. Okay, they are going to replace with a stub. Okay, stub is nothing but a temporary program. What is it? Stub? What is meant by stub?
temporary
Temporary program to stop the user actions. Okay, temporary program to stop the user actions. Okay, unless if you complete that only we can go. Okay, completely it is stopped. Clear? Yes or no? This is not required, right? At bottom level. Okay, as of now I am testing at top level only. Yes or no? Guys, understood? You are not going to consider this all things. Okay, developer is going to take care. Clear? So that's the reason only I have mentioned white box testing is completely taken care by developers. In some mid-level companies like that of companies means we have to test. Clear? Understood? Any more
Yeah,
questions?
Rajesh.
Okay. Now coming to second one is bottom-up approach. Coming to second one is a bottom-up approach. Coming to this approach, okay, just some modifications is there. Okay, just I am copying and pasting in this approach. If there is any incomplete program, here previously bottom level. Now there is any incomplete program at top level. Okay, top level is nothing but this level. Okay, this module is not yet completed. This module is not yet completed. This all modules is completed, only top level module is not completed. Okay, how they are going to consider? They are going to consider from instead of top to bottom. How they are going to consider? How they are going to test? From bottom to top they are going to test. Yes or no? Why? Because bottom level is completed, top level is not completed. If you test from bottom to top, okay, maybe testing takes some time. Okay, maybe testing takes sometimes. Okay, 1, 2, or 3 days it is going to take. Okay, help is going to take some hours. Reports is going to take some hours. Miscellaneous is going to take some days. Approvals is going to take some days. My transaction is going to take some days, and my receipts is going to take some days. Okay, when we are testing this all things, maybe the developer can fix this one. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Hello.
Yeah, Rajesh, once can repeat, Rajesh.
See, if there is a bottom to top approach, okay, we are going to discuss about bottom to top. Okay, in this bottom to top, okay, this is a top. Okay, yes or no? This is a top one. This is a bottom one. Yes or no? Just for understanding purpose, I'm saying this is a top one. This is a bottom one. Clear? Understood this one?
Yeah.
Okay, see, in this bottom level approach, top level is not completed. Okay, top level is not completed. Development is not completed in top level. How the developers is going to test? It is completed from top to this way. Okay, only top level is completed. Top level is not completed. Okay, bottom level is completed. How they are going to test? They are going to test from bottom to top. Yes or no?
Yeah, Rajesh.
Okay, they are going to test from bottom to top. Okay, the incomplete program at top is replaced with driver. Okay, instead of stub, they are going to use a driver. Okay, here driver is nothing but a we can continue the user actions. Okay, we can continue the user actions. Okay, here we are not going to stop the driver. Okay, by using some dummy code, they are going to execute a applications. Okay, that thing is called as a drivers. Clear? Is it clear, guys? Hello.
Yeah, yes, Rajesh, got it.
Okay, coming to hybrid approach. Hybrid approach is nothing but it is a combination of top down and bottom up approach. Okay, it is a combination of top down and bottom up approach is called as hybrid approach. Bottom up approach is called as hybrid approach. Who is going to test these all approaches? Who is going to test?
Developer.
Developer. Okay, you should not concentrate much on this, just for interview purpose. Maybe a chance. Okay, 90% won't ask. Maybe. Okay, if our time is not well and good, okay, at that time we can face a interview question. So that's the reason I am saying. Okay, not required actually this one. Okay, if interview is going to be in a tough mode, at that time you are going to face this interview question. Clear? 95% they won't ask. Maybe 5 chance they will get a chance. Clear? Coming to big bang approach. Okay, big bang approach is nothing but conducting integration testing integration testing after completion of 100% coding. Okay, we have to conduct the testing after 100% coding. Okay, each and everything is completed. Okay, from top to bottom. Okay, whether it is a top to bottom or bottom to top. Okay, it should not be nothing pending have to be. Okay, then only we should go for which approach?
Big Bang.
Big Bang approach. Okay, each and everything have to be completed. Then only the developer is going to test one of the particular approach. That approach is called as a Big Bang approach. Okay, 100% completion of coding. Completion of coding. Okay, is called as Big Bang approach. It's called as Big Bang approach. Clear? Okay. Coming to white box testing, how many levels is there? How many levels of white box testing is there?
2 levels.
What are those? Very good. What are those?
Unit level and integration level.
Unit level and integration level. Super. Okay. What is a unit level testing and what is a integration level testing?
Unit testing is a single completion of the.
Very good. Okay. It is a testing of a single unit is called as a unit level testing. Okay. Combination of multiple units is called as a integration level testing. Okay. Coming to integration level testing, we are having a different types of approaches. Okay. What are the different types of approaches means? We are having a 4 types of approaches. Those are top-down approach, bottom-up approach, hybrid approach, and Big Bang approach. Okay. This all things is completely taken care by developers. Okay. If you are going with a very small company, at that time, as a test engineer, you only have to test. Clear? But 99.9 percentage, 99.9 percentage, okay, developers only is going to take care. Clear? 99.95. Okay, just 0.5 percentage we have to take. Clear? Understood? Are you getting? Guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Coming to next testing is black box testing. Coming to next testing is black box testing. Okay. Who is going to take care of black box testing?
He is a test engineer.
Okay. As a test engineer, we have to conduct a black box testing. When we have to conduct a black box testing? When we have to conduct a black box testing? Once 100% coding and white box testing is completed. Once coding and white box testing is completed. Once 100% coding and white box testing is completed. Okay. Then what requirement you have to check? What requirements? Whose requirement you have to check? You have to check your requirement.
Customer requirements.
Very good. Okay. We have to check with the customer requirement. Correctness of code with customer requirement. Very good. Okay. With customer requirement. Okay. Another name for the customer is a client requirement. Okay. Which is conducted by, who is going to conduct this testing? Which is conducted by test engineer. Okay. Which is conducted by test engineer. Okay. As a test engineer, we are going to conduct testing. Okay. As a test engineer, we are going to conduct a testing. Okay. That testing is called as what testing?
Black box.
It's called as black box testing. Very, very important, guys. Okay. There is a definite interview questions on black box testing. Clear? Okay. Coming to black box testing, it is divided into how many types? 2 types. Very good. Okay. One is system level testing. And coming to second one is a user acceptance testing. User acceptance testing. Okay. Now first we will go for a system level testing. First we will go for a system level testing. What is a system level testing? What is a system level testing? Here they are going to conduct only units. Okay, this is one unit, this is one unit. They are going to conduct unit and integration. Okay, as a test engineer, how I need to check? From login part to logout. Yes or no? From login to logout, each and everything we have to check. Clear? Yes, understanding? Okay,
Yeah,
from
yeah.
login to, yes or no? From each and everything we have to take care. From each and everything we have to take care. From login to up to logout. Okay, each and every module, each and every requirement as a test engineer, we have to test very carefully. The testing is called as which testing?
Black box testing. Okay.
Huh? System level testing. Okay, we have to conduct whole application. We have to conduct whole application. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, Rajesh.
Conducting whole application with customer requirements. With customer requirements. Requirements is called as system level testing. System level testing. Okay, if you want another definition also, you can say. Okay, someone is going to ask. Okay, it is a combination of system. You can write. Okay, validating both functional and non-functional requirements. Okay, we have to test both functional and non-functional requirements. Clear? As a test engineer, you are a functional or you are a non-functional tester. You are learning some manual and automation thing. Okay, you are a function tester or you are a non-functional tester.
Functional testing.
You are a function tester.
Function.
Who is going to come as a non-function tester? Security testing, performance testing, database testing, those all things comes under a non-functional testing. Clear? Understanding?
Rajesh, yes, yes.
Okay, those people is going to come as a non-functional testing. Okay, is called as system level testing. Any definition is fine, guys. Okay, any definition is fine. Okay, as a functional tester, we have to conduct different types of testings. Okay, as a functional tester, we have a different types of testing. Functional testing. We are having a different types. Okay, those are positive testing, very important. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask. One is positive testing. Coming to next one is negative testing. Third one is smoke testing. Fourth one is retesting. Fifth one is regression testing. Sixth one is end-to-end testing. End-to-end testing. Seventh one is GUI testing. GUI testing. Eighth one is ad hoc testing. Eighth one is ad hoc testing. Okay. If you go for the interviews, what are the functional testings you have performed in your organization? Okay. What is the interview question? What are the different types of testings you have performed in your organization? What have to be your answer?
Functional testing is eight levels, eight types. One is
Not
the
8. Okay, there is a multiple types. Okay, majorly we are going to concentrate on this. Okay, don't mention 8. Okay, clear? I have given 8. Okay, you can say any 5 or 4. Okay, that's fine. Clear? There is a lot of things is there, but mostly we are going this only. Clear?
Yeah, Rajesh.
Okay, we are having a different types is there. Okay, but majorly these are the different types of testings is available on functional. Okay, clear? What are those? Smoke testing, positive testing, negative testing, retesting, regression testing, GUI
End-to-end
testing, ad hoc testing. Okay, sometimes they are going to ask, can you give any 5 testings? Okay, can you give any 5 testings which you have performed in your organization? What have to be your answer? Sorry, yeah, what have to be your answer? No response. What are the 5 testings you have performed? Here I have told it na. You can give any 5 na. Arey Bhagwan.
regression testing, smoke testing, GUI testing, positive testing,
Hmm.
negative
Like that,
testing.
we can give any 5. Okay, why this much time? You are not able to understand, please ask guys. Okay, I will give it examples. Okay, understanding? Okay, na? Now,
So,
first one, I will go for positive testing. Okay, what is a positive testing? Okay, here I am going to check here as a valid email address. Here I am giving a valid email address and I am giving a valid password and I am clicking on sign in. Both are valid inputs. Yes or no? Guys, yes or no?
yes,
Positive
Rajesh.
testing is nothing but we have to check with the valid inputs. Okay, we have to check with the valid inputs. Okay, here I am giving valid input is my correct username and here I am giving a correct password and I'm clicking on sign in. Okay, this is a valid input. Yes or no? Positive testing is nothing but in this type of testing, check with valid inputs. Check with valid inputs is called as positive testing. Are you feeling bored? Guys,
No, Rajesh.
okay. Some manual testing is some boring only. Okay. Each and everything we have to write with our hands only. Okay. As a human being, that is some more difficult. Okay. This is some bit boring job only. Okay. Manual testing is some bit boring job only. Okay. If you go for automation, some interesting topics will come. Clear? Understood? You have to write multiple things with your hand. Okay, so better to practice from now onwards. Clear? Understanding?
Yeah, got it.
What you got it? What you got? Tell me, tell guys. Each and everyone have to understand.
Practicing with pen and paper.
Yes, practicing with pen and paper. But if you go for a real time, there won't be any pen and paper. They will be what they will be? Excel sheets. What they will be? Excel sheets will be. Clear? Guys, Excel sheets and notepad. Understood? As a manual tester, you have to write some test cases, test scenarios, each and everything you have to write in Excel sheet. Okay, how to write, okay, where to write, when to write, those all things I will explain. Clear? Understood? Where I have to write? Not in pen and paper. Okay? Clear? Understood? Hello, Raghunath, I guess. Someone writes. Who?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay, where you are going to write?
Notepad or Excel sheet.
Notepad or Excel sheet. Why I go for notepad and Excel sheet? Why I should not write in notebook or with pen? Why? You should ask, right?
The Excel sheet is right way.
Downloading Excel sheet is a right way. Very good answer. Okay. Okay. And we can share with our team also. Yes or no? If my team is available in Hyderabad, okay, if some team is available in Bangalore, okay, our client is present in US. Yes or no? Or
Yes,
UK.
yes.
Okay, different places is there. If I write in my notebook or with pen, okay, you are going to give each and every day your notebook. It is possible. It is very difficult. I have to go to client place. Okay, I am going to get 1 lakh or 2 lakhs of salary. If I go to London or US, how much the flight ticket is going to become? Yes or no? What, Raghunath? Why silent? Are you there? Okay. Understood? Where we have to write? We have to write in a notepad or Excel sheet. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Coming to second one is the negative testing. Okay. Coming to second one is the negative testing. Okay. Here coming to negative testing is nothing but, okay, in this type of testing, check with invalid inputs. Okay. We have to check with invalid inputs to confirm the customer requirements. Okay. As a test engineer, we should not go for only positive testing. Okay. We have to go for negative testing. We have to go for different types of testings. Okay. Those are, one is positive and coming to second one is the negative testing. Okay. Here tell me, what are the negative inputs here? Can anyone? Here this is a positive valid email address. Okay. Here I am giving a invalid email address and valid password and I am clicking on sign in. What it have to come? It is going to sign in or should not sign in?
Should not running.
It should not sign in. Why? Because it is
Is
a invalid input. Okay, invalid input is available here. Yes or no? Yes or no?
yes, yes.
Yes. Anything invalid inputs? Anyone? How to write? Can anyone? Why? Because very, very important. Okay, these all things you have to test. Okay, this is a real time. You have to test. These all things. How to test? How you are going to test? Invalid inputs. How you are going to check? Only one way. Only invalid email address. Only you are going to check. You are going to check anything else. I want a response, guys. Don't be silent. Here I am giving a valid email ID and here I am giving a invalid password and I am clicking on sign in. What it have to come? It have to fail. Why? Because I have provided valid email address and invalid mail. Okay, so that's the reason it is going to fail. Yes or no? Invalid only, na? Guys. Oh my God. Come on. Hello. Hello, guys.
Rajesh.
Okay. Anything else? Invalid test cases? Tell me, guys. Here I am. What is the another invalid test case? Here I am going to leave both fields as empty. Both fields as empty. I am leaving. Okay, and I am clicking on sign in. If it is signing means then that is a issue. Okay, we have to check this test case also, na? My God. What, guys? Again, I am giving email address as invalid and password also I am giving invalid. I need to check this one also, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, these are the invalid inputs. Okay, we have to give various kinds of testing. We have to test. Okay, we have to test in real time like this only. So that's the reason I am asking multiple times. Positive testing means here I have to give valid email address and valid password, and I'm clicking on sign in. That is a valid one. Okay. Invalid one is both fields I am leaving as empty and I'm clicking on sign in. Okay. Whether it is signing or not, we have to check. After that, I am going to give only email ID as valid and password as invalid. And I'm clicking on sign in. It have to log in or should not log in?
Should not login.
Should not log in. Okay, what is the another one? What is the another test case?
Email ID.
Email ID is invalid and password is valid. I am
Valid.
giving. Okay, whether it have to log in or should not log in?
Should not login.
It should not log in. That
Okay.
is a third test case. Anyone? Any more?
Email ID and forgot
Uh-huh.
password.
Why you went for another one? This is fun. Okay, first we will complete this one. After that, I will tell
Yeah.
forgot password. I am giving both email ID and password as invalid. Okay, both fields I am giving invalid. And I am clicking on sign in. What it have to come? It have to sign in or should not sign in?
Should not
And-
sign.
It should not sign in. Why? Because both fields I have given
Invalid.
invalid. Okay. Like that, you have to think, guys. Okay, you have to think. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if you go for forgot password, okay. Now tell me here how you are going to check. Can anyone?
Given by valid email IDs.
Oh, okay, you are going to tell first valid thing. Okay, tell me valid thing. Very good. Someone is taken priority. Yeah, go ahead. Very good.
Capture is wrong. Invalid.
Invalid, you are saying. Tell me first positive. Okay, after that we will go for negative. Okay.
Positive by giving
Mhm.
valid email and capture invalid.
Okay,
sir.
we have to give both fields with valid details. Okay, and I have to click on send link. Okay, whether link is going to come to our mail or not, we are going to check. Okay, that is a valid scenario. Very good. Now tell me invalid.
Invalid and wrong captures.
Here, yeah, very good. Okay, here, if I give any email address also, it is going to send some link to that particular mail. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Your mindset is very, very good. Okay, I am really appreciated. Okay, here he is entering a invalid captcha and he is going to send a link. Okay, what it have to come? You have entered a invalid captcha, have to come. Yes or no? Very good.
Yes, sir.
Anything else? Like that only you have to think. Okay, better someone is understood. Yeah, and I am leaving both fields as empty and I am clicking on sending. It have to send or should not send?
It
Should
should
not
not.
send.
Should not send.
Yeah.
That is also text case only, na?
Yes, sir.
Anything else? See, if I am giving captcha here, same captcha it is going to take multiple times or it is going to refresh one more time. If I give on a
Refresh.
wrong captcha or anything else. That one also we have to check, right?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Guys, why I am saying means we have to test like that only. If you are not able to understand, please ask me. Okay. My voice is going. Please try to respond. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have to check each and everything. Okay, that is our job. Okay, they are paying to us. Okay, raise your voice. Okay, what are the concerns you have? Okay, what are the doubts you are facing? Clear?
Okay.
Understood? Now complete how to test a positive testing and how to do the negative testing. These
Yes,
are the
sir.
real times you have to do. Okay, not only this particular username and password. Entirely you have to test. Clear? అర్థమవుతుందండి?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
ఓకే, దయచేసి మాట్లాడండి, వాయిస్ రైస్ చేయండి. ఓకే, అలా మొత్తం టెస్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, అర్థమైందా? మొత్తం ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడి దాకా లాగిన్ నుంచి లాగౌట్ దాకా చేయాలి. Okay, clear? ఒక పర్టికులర్ టైం ఇస్తారా మీకు టెస్ట్ చేయమని? ఇస్తారు. ఎంత టైం ఇస్తారు? ఎంత టైం ఇస్తారండి? మిమ్మల్ని అడుగుతారు. మీకు ఎంత టైం పట్టద్దని మిమ్మల్ని అడుగుతారు. ఎంత టైం అని చెప్పాలి? ఆ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ని బట్టి మీరు చెప్పాలి. ఓకే, ఒక 2 hours పట్టద్దంటే మీరు 4 hours అని చెప్పండి. క్లియర్? అండర్స్టాండింగ్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్?
Yes, sir.
If it is taking 2 hours, you have to give a deadline as 4 hours.
4 hours.
Okay, we have to give more time. Okay, why I have to give a more time? Because if you give a short time, within short time we should not concentrate much. Okay, maybe there may be a power failures will be, network issues will be, each and everything will be. Yes or no? Yes or no? If it is completed 2 hours means that is a well and good. Okay, he have given 4 hours, he have taken 4 hours time, but he have completed in 2 hours only. Who is going to get the appreciation? Who is going to get the appreciation? I am going to get. Who is going to get? You are only going to get. Clear? అర్థమైందా? అయ్యో భగవాన్. Guys, understood or not? Hello, are you there? Are you alive?
Yes, Rajesh.
If you have anything else, any doubts, please ask me, guys. If you have no doubts, you can drop off. I'm going to stop the recording up to here.